The light's not on, guys. I was like, why does it look so dark? There! I was so darn excited because I got this. I finally got this. Oh, it matches my eyeshadow today. I got this. And it was waiting on me. So, let's get in. Let's get in. Oh my gosh, it's like taped all the way around. Okay, hold on. Okay. Tomorrow, which it'll probably be tomorrow when you're watching this, because it's almost 10 o'clock at night. I got home from work just a few minutes ago and ate some dinner, and I told the hubby I've got to open this. I'm too excited. Even though I've already seen unboxings, but there is the cute box. Guys, he done such a good job with these boxes. This is the middle box, of course. And I'm pretty sure everybody got kind of the same kind of thing. There is the way it's packed. I see the t-shirt. There's some tissue paper. So there is my t-shirt. I could totally wear this tomorrow for work, because we have inventory that you have to change. We have to change once the store opens, because we're going to be closed for inventory. Did get a 3X just because I wanted it really big. Can't relate. That is really big. Look at that. But is it 100% cotton? It is 100% cotton. So I was taking into account it's probably going to shrink a little bit with it being 100% cotton. You know, I can sleep in this. I can wear this around the house. That's what I wanted it for. Can't relate. So there's the t-shirt. And then, oh my gosh. I don't know what I want to open first. Okay. The Liquid Frost Michigan Ice I do have one, and it was sent to me by Miss Tracy, and I don't use it a whole lot, and it is in the shade Candy Bling, so it's a real pretty gold color. So this is Michigan Ice, and of course it's probably going to be blue. It's blue. Guys, what am I going to do with blue highlighter? I mean, seriously, what am I going to do with blue highlighter? I don't remember how to open it. Okay, here we go. I want to see like how blue it is. It's blue. But if you just pick up a little bit and just really kind of pat it out, and you really kind of work it in, it's not blue, you know what I'm saying? It has a little bit of blue purple reflect. It has a lot of purple in there too, so I do like that part of it. It's got some purple in there. Ooh, too much. That was a lot. Oh, with blue blood, that would be pretty though. Like I said, that was a lot, but you can really shear that down. And like I said, shear it down. It's not like in your face blue. It's blue, but it's not in your face blue. It's got purple, and I know you can't see the purple, but it does have purple. Okay, so I will keep. Definitely interesting. Next up, I see two lippies. I see a pink and a green snow cone. This is from the summer collection. Ooh, it matches my outfit. And oh my gosh, there's the color. I know everybody was getting like pink, hot pink, and purple and blue, but when you swatched it, it wasn't that color, because right there it is. Oh, so we're going to save you. Let's see what this one is. Christmas cookie. Do I have Christmas cookie? I wanted Christmas cookie. And I can't remember if I already have Christmas cookie. I do have Christmas cookie. So this is a backup, guys. It's one of my favorite shades. I already have it, so that's kind of a bummer. But now I have a backup. The gloss. This is one of my favorite formulas. I got Crystal Climax. And I can't remember the two I have. This one is Diamond Juice. And the other one is, I can't remember, but it's not one of the glittery ones. It's one of the creamy ones. And it's in my purse. I keep it in my purse. And I just saw the color of it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. It's a bronzy shade. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Super happy with that. I know from the unboxings what this is. This is a mini jawbreaker. So, I'm not going to open this. I have, and if I'm shaking you, I'm sorry. I have the mini jawbreaker. I know I'm shaking you guys, I'm sorry. So just to show you what it looks like, I've not used this one a whole lot, and I really need to. I need to get this one out and use it. It got put back in my drawer, and these are really more summer colors. But I'm not going to use it tomorrow because I actually got an outfit with purple in it. So I might leave this out and use it tomorrow. But I'm going to give the mini jawbreaker away. Yes, I want to give the mini jawbreaker away. And I'm going to go ahead and put in Christmas cookie since I already have Christmas cookie. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. So the mini jawbreaker and Christmas cookie will be going in a giveaway. What else do we have in the box? Okay, so the gloss was good. The lippy was good. We have the mystery frost. There's that one. And there is this classic pink packaging. I kind of wish he had done it in orange, but I see some flakes, so please do not be busted. It's not. There it is. Does it look moldy to you guys? When I first saw pictures, I was like, that kind of looks moldy. But then when they swirled it all together, it's beautiful. So, like, I don't have enough going on my cheeks. We're going to go down the nose. We'll put a little bit up here, a little bit down here. And super creamy. Oh my gosh. I'll swatch it on my clean hand. Oh, so pretty. What happens if you just stay kind of down in a dark gold area? Oh yeah. So you can kind of target certain areas to get a darker highlight. There's a little bit darker and this one's a little bit lighter. So, and that is so creamy, guys. I can't even. All right, so I'm going to be giving away this one and this one. And I will show you swatches of that mini jawbreaker. I need a tissue. Okay. Well, since I didn't have a lippy to put this over top of, it's just a really pretty iridescent. Oh my gosh, that is really pretty. See, it's just a really pretty iridescent with beautiful glitter. I don't even know how to explain that glitter. Kind of a greeny gold. I see some pink. Very pretty. So keeping I already have one of the palettes. So last in the box is this is the mirror. And it is sealed as well. I almost hate breaking the seal. So let me see how you get in here. Okay. My first Jeffree Star mirror. Oh my gosh. So, ooh, I like the weight of it. I'm keeping this box and it is going on display when I get my filming area done. I'm going to try to work on that later this week. Get some more done in there. That way I can display some of my palettes that I want to display, like my blood sugar and blue blood stay back here behind me. I can put this box back there. But there's the mirror, and guys, now, oh God, look at that highlight. Look at that highlight on my chin. That is like crazy. Oh my gosh, that is like crazy highlight. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. It is not coming off there either. I like my mirror. Oh, I do. I like my mirror. So, that's everything I got in my mystery box. If you guys got the mystery box, let me know how you liked it. Christmas Cookie is one of my favorite shades, guys. I will swatch that for you. Christmas Cookie. Let me actually take a wipe and clean some of all that highlighter off the back of my hand, so you're not just getting all that glitter from the highlight. All right, let it dry. Make sure I grab the right one. And actually, you know what? I hear a car outside. They need to go away. This is one of my favorite nudes because it's not too pale on me. And it doesn't wash me out either. So that is Christmas Cookie. That's that. Whoops, I hit my watch. So it's not like too dark, it's not too light. It's like the perfect nude for me. It's not, it doesn't wash me out. Like, can't relate. This one is lighter, and I usually put it in the center. That's can't relate. So that's Christmas Cookie. And I'm going to put my new highlighter down in the highlight drawer. So the mini jawbreaker, I am going to leave this out because I bought some leggings at Walmart, and guys, I'll show them to you. That Oral, I love the shade. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me this. Okay, dry my fingertips off. Then Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, which I've not even touched that shade, and Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. It's weird doing it with your thumb. So 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. So there are the shades. Look at Hot Fudge up there. That's so pretty to be like a taupey gray color. Yeah, that one. Oh, love, 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 love that shade. And I'm going to wear it tomorrow because I found these leggings at Walmart, guys. Oh, they fell off their hanger. Look how cute. The skulls, the kitty cats, the flowers, and then there's pumpkins. See if I can get a better shot of a pumpkin. Ah, there's one. Ah, pumpkins. So yeah, I'm going to be wearing those to work tomorrow. And that'll work perfect. Alright guys, so that was my mystery box. So if you want to win the mini jawbreaker and Christmas cookie, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel. And I will add a few more goodies to this. I don't know exactly what at the present moment, but this will not be all that you're getting. You'll get some more things. So if you want to win these two, just leave me a comment down below. I will pick the winner November the 15th. So that's a little over it's almost 3 weeks. And I will pick the winner November the 15th. So just leave me a comment down below your favorite cookie. And just be sure you're subscribed to this channel. You're 18 or older, have your parents' permission. You have a United States postal address, and that's pretty much it. This is not sponsored by any way. I paid for this with my own money. So yeah, just be subscribed. Leave your comment down below. What's your favorite cookie? And I'll pull the winner using my random comment picker on the 15th. You just got to be in the United States. I'm sorry to all my international folks, but once we hit 2,000, I will have an international giveaway when we hit 2,000. So if you want to share this video, let people know that I'm giving this away and help me get to 2,000. That's just faster we get to that international giveaway. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will leave that video linked down below if you want to check that giveaway out. So now we have 2 giveaways going. So get into both of them. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.